How's it going? This is Whit from Wits and Media, and are you guys wanting effects like this in DaVinci Resolve? Well, it's pretty easy, not that hard, and I'll show you how to do them. Before we get started, though, I do need to say some of these effects are only in the studio version, but most of them are in the free version. To be honest, the ones in the studio version aren't really that crazy, but I'll still show you how to use them, throw them in there, and yeah. So to do it, you just got to go to Resolve, go to the edit page, and in the media pool, right click and select new fusion composition, rename it, and then click create. From here, just drag that clip into the timeline and then head over to the fusion page. Once you're in the fusion page, grab a merge in background node and connect them to the media out. Make the background transparent on the background node, especially if you're wanting to like overlay this on stuff, and then grab a text or image. To be fair though, all these effects I'm about to show you, even though you can use them on text, you can use them on text, images, shapes, whatever else you can think of. It works on everything. From here, just take that text node and connect it to the merge node. Then go to the effects window, go to open effects, and then scroll down till you find Resolve FX Warp. From here, you can grab one of the 6 effects and drag it between the text and merge node. And then from here, you can play with the different effects in the inspector and the preview window until you get your desired look. As a note though, the asterisk is where the effect is happening and the circle is the strength of the effect. So in some of these effects don't actually have that asterisk and circle, but a bunch of them do, and the asterisk is just where it's at. Circle is just the strength of it. And just a couple of tips I have for you guys. If you're using the ripple effect, turn off shine. I think it looks cheesy. It's not that good in my opinion, but personal preference, do whatever you want. And also with the ripple effect, you can actually have multiple ripples at the same time, so it can get you a really cool effect. Big thing with all of these effects, you can animate them with the keyframes to get you a really, really cool look. And then if you want, you can just go into the spline and change how you want to do it and make S's and do whatever you want. But yeah, that's how you do the effects. It's really not that hard. All you got to do is just drag it, one of the effects from the open effects window in between whatever you want in the merge node, and then just play around with it until you get your desired look. Not that hard, pretty simple. If you guys want to see more tutorials and effects like this, hit the subscribe button, check out my content, like the video, etc. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.